These faceless automated channels are making thousands of dollars every month, and you can do the same for free in just 6 steps. No bullshit, let's get straight to the video. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write interesting facts about any animal of your choice. For example, dogs. You can always expand it. Step 2. Record voiceovers yourself or use free AI text-to-speech websites like play.ht for free. Paste your script and we are good to go. Step 3. Go to FACELESS and download HD pictures or videos of any animal for free. Step 4. Select a background music from YouTube free music library. Step 5. Go to Canva, select YouTube Shorts, drop your videos, voiceovers and music. Take your time editing the video and download it. Step 6. Upload this video to weed.io to automatically create subtitles. And this is the result.
Dogs, with their unwavering loyalty and boundless enthusiasm, have earned the title of humanity's most faithful companions. Their playful antics and wagging tails can effortlessly bring joy to even the gloomiest of days. In the heartwarming gaze of a dog, we find a reflection of pure love and a reminder of the incredible bond between humans and animals.
Upload to YouTube for 30 days straight and then tell me your results. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency and patience. Best of luck to all of you. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Peace.